The Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 2 p.m. Eastern Time on Monday. 2 hours left to go in the trading day. We have markets slipping to almost intraday session lows right now. You're looking at an S&P negative 14 points, trading at 34.48, a far cry from where we were pre-market. You zoom it in on the action on Friday. We sell off from right about 3,500 in the final hour of trading. Friday ends at about 34.65. Overnight, you make it as high at 2:30 in the morning. We reach a high of 34.9650. We get almost back up to that level at 9:45, 34.9375. We're approaching 45 points below that price level, and the S&P's at 34.48. Jumping over to the NASDAQ. The NQ is selling off as well. Negative 58 points on the session right now, 11,741. My chart catching up a little bit, but below the lows that we had on Friday as well. The Dow off 105, 28,303. We're about 100 points below where we were on Friday. Crude oil pulling back a bit, still above $41 at 41.06. Gold contract right now hanging on to gains. Gold up about $2, but had been as high as above 19.20 early in the session at about 8 a.m. Your gold up to 1923.40. We're now trading at 1908.30. Silver's up 19 pennies at 24.59. We were above 25 at one point. Notes and bonds got a little bit of lower price and higher yield, but shaving some of those losses. We got the 10-year right now, negative 5 ticks at 138.28. We're looking at a 10-year yield right now of 0.764%. 0.764%. The 30-year down about 14 ticks at 174.15. And we'll jump over to the VIX. Volatility index staying high. Is this market pulling back? We got an elevated VIX at 28.45. We got 15 days until a presidential election. We got possible stimulus. I say possible in the lightest of terms. Deadline from Speaker of the House Nancy Pelosi. Tuesday, I don't even know if that deadline applies, because if Pelosi and the White House, President Trump, Secretary of Treasury Mnuchin, if they come to a deal, Senator McConnell has kind of already said that they're up for about a much smaller version, $500 billion that they're passing in the Senate. I don't know how all that comes together in 15 days, but the deadline is tomorrow. But the market getting a little dicey here at 34.43. You see the sell-off. We're looking at 15-minute bars. We're making session lows as we speak. Should be an interesting 2 hours to go to finish up the trading day. Stay tuned, folks. Dave White coming up live with the Power Trading Hour from 2 till 3. Tom O'Brien, my dad, live today from 3 till 4. S&P's minus 18. Markets accelerating to the side.